Hey everyone, I actually did it. I finished a art journal in 1 month. I am happy, but I cheated. Well, I didn't really cheat. I just changed things up a bit. Scrap Chick Colleen over at Scrap Chick. She had this, and I had it sit on my shelf, and I said, I'll get to it later. But she showed that she was using the books to do an art journal a month. And it comes with 5 of them. The red one's over here because I'm getting ready to use it for August. But anyway, I love this idea, Colleen. Thank you. And if you're not watching Scrap Chick, whose name is Colleen, and Kathy Berg, you've got to watch them. I am learning so much from them. Plus, they're funny. So this is my July 2021 art journal. Well, creative art journal combination. You're going to see a lot of recreations by Brooke stickers in here because I buy them every month. And a lot of different things from a lot of different people. So, let's get started. What I'm doing this time around is, if I write little personal things in it, I'm kind of covering them up because I've had some comments that were kind of crude. But yeah, so this is just some different stickers in here, and I'm almost positive, I don't know if these came from Brooke or not, so I'm not going to say. But I put these little snarky stickers in them and just, doodle while I'm watching people who are live or whatever. And here's another one. I live in Florida and it is too damn hot. And put July sticker, which these came from Brookie. And it's so hot. And down here is a little sticker that says, I am currently experiencing life at the rate of several WTFs per hour. So yeah, that's accurate. And on this one, I have a decorated domino I put on here because I can't find anything else to use them for. I just put a row of the days of the week from Brooke stickers. This is my grocery store day, and I'm going to tell you a little story. The price of groceries have gotten so freaking astronomically high here. I don't know about everywhere else in the world, but here in Tampa, it is crazy. I mean, stuff is increasing by $1 to $2 weekly. So now I hit 4 different stores. I go with the sales flyers, and I write down what I want at what store, and then I go in like a little square and end up back at home. Yeah, I might spend a couple more dollars for gas than going just to one store and back, but you know what? I might spend a couple dollars in gas, but I'm probably saving anywhere from $50 to $75 by doing it. So this was Brooke stickers, and I put these in here. I put some snarky sayings, and I just did some doodling and backgrounds on it. I got this idea from Colleen too, only hers was much more creative. I actually did this while I was watching them, and just doodled the whole page. I used shiny watercolor on the background and cut out some circles and put them on here, and then I used Brooke's Girls stickers. I love her stickers, I really do. And it's Recreations by Brooke on Etsy. And I just doodled the whole time I was watching Colleen and Kathy. And this one's another decorated domino, just some different collaging and doodling and snarky sayings. And here is Brooke stickers, and this is I want to say this is Tim Holtz spray, the green part, but all of this darker color you see, this is Christy Biddleson's, and she is selling a walnut ink that is absolutely out of this world. I mean, look at this. This is also, I put a finger dauber in the jar and just squeezed off the excess, and I think I had to do this like 3 times to get the heart to come as dark as I wanted. But that's the neat thing about this ink that she's selling, is that you can get any color you want. Like here, you can see this spray is lighter than in here because I didn't spray as much, but I love it because I think it makes a perfect rust color over a green. And this is also with her ink, and this is where I messed up the heart the first time. I had this thing too wet, but I liked it, so I left it. I didn't cover it up. And let's see, I do believe these are Brooke stickers. I think every sticker on here is from Brooke. So yeah. This one I had to pay homage to the Creepy Baby because I love Creepy Baby. I'm sorry, I just love it. And these are from another website that I bought some creepy kids from. And then I put the little head in the face and put some legs on here and some little kids in the bottles. And I just loved them. And this page, I'm telling myself, go outside your comfort zone. Get outside and explore, get more exercise, which I am doing. And it's really helping me feel a lot better. This one is another thing I picked up from Kathy and Colleen, and mine didn't come out. They were using black and white washi tape, and then they put stuff over. I think they used tissues. I used tissue paper. And I really didn't care for how mine turned out, so I decided I put the glitter decoupage on it, and then just decided to collage these 2 little pictures on it. So, just, I don't know. I may put something else in here if I come across something, so that'll go with that page, which I do that a lot. I go back and redo. And this is just a doodling page, and this is just a little house that says, Goodbye, July. And then I'm still collaging on the back, because I just put scraps on the cover as I'm going. But July is finished, and I'm looking forward to starting August. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.